hope that's not somebody's booty cheek. Good morning. What's up, FOV fam? And if you've read the title, you know exactly what this video is.
It's another room tour, and we are in
Natural. Oh.
All right, guys, let's show you guys the room. Ready? Yeah, after you. Look at that view. Look at that view. Okay, all right. What room we in? What room we in? What room we in?
We are in room 610.
16. Okay, let's
Now,
go.
the really good thing about this resort is they do not hand out the key fobs.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what reason in particular, but I like the idea. So what they do is they download an app on your phone, and the app, you just put your phone up, like you pay for stuff with your phone,
Right.
up to the door, and it turns green, and that's how you unlock the door. So no more key fobs, no more losing your keys, gotta go to the guest services, none of that no more.
Now, if your phone dies, you're SOL.
Absolutely. So we are in the room. First things first, you have our closet. This is a very, very super duper spacious closet. As you can see, I got a lot of my stuff, but it's plenty of ample space. Then you also have security in here, so you can put your key and your code and all that stuff. They also have like a hair dryer in here also,
Good.
so you can dry your hair. They also got a steamer. I ain't never been to no resort or no hotel. They got a steamer.
I had no idea what it was. I had to ask Abby. I'm like, excuse me, what is this? I need to iron my shirt, and this don't look like no iron. Where the board? Where you forgot to show them the best part about the closet.
With the on and off light.
Yeah, it's
Ouch.
oh man. Dang,
So every time you open up the closet, this light come on. And when you close it, the light come off.
It's pretty cool. There's no switch. It's just on, off, close, open.
It saves a lot of battery life though. I mean, not battery life, what's that called?
Energy.
Energy for the planet. And then this is my favorite part about the whole room.
As you can see, she left her mark, her territory over here. Like I will. Okay, anyway, go ahead. Go ahead.
This is the best part about the room. So you have the bathroom area, and I love hotels or any place, therefore, that has a separate toilet from the rest of the bathroom. Because you know what that means? That means you can take a whole lot of dumps, and you can close the door. And then this is the shower area. Now it got a nice little raindrop situation still here. It kind of smells like charcoal, so I don't know if that's on purpose or not. But this is the raindrop shower head. And hot. Ooh.
You just breaking everything, girl.
This is the hot and cold. The hot and cold. Just cut that out. Just cut that out. And then, of course, this resort also has the towels over here where they can get wet again. But you know, I guess it's supposed to be fancy.
You not gonna show us the same?
I said money. So then, the reason I like showers and the toilet separate, other than the poop to be separated, is because when someone's taking a shower and you want to use the mirror, you don't have to worry about it steaming up and you can't do your makeup while you're multitasking and stuff. You ain't got to worry about the mirror steaming up as you're trying to do your makeup. So you can be in there showering and I can be trying to get my makeup on and I ain't got to wait for the whole bathroom to cool down for me to even be able to use the joint. You hear me? So, this is the bathroom. We don't got no his and hers. This is the.
We just got hers.
Listen, y'all. Listen. Just don't focus on it. Just. This is the bathroom. It has good lighting. It's beautiful. You got the real plank right there in the corner. This place comes with all your necessities. So you got the shower gel, you got the conditioner and shampoo together as one. And then you got the hand sanitizer, which is new, because they didn't used to do no hand sanitizer.
Yeah.
Shower cap, and then they got a vanity kit that comes with like, what's the joint you put in your ear? And do like this?
AirPods? Oh, Q-tips.
Q-tips. They come with Q-tips and like stuff for your nails and cotton balls and stuff in the vanity kit.
You know you're not supposed to put Q-tips in your ear.
I don't do that.
You don't put them in your ear?
I don't do that.
Okay.
I use Q-tips for my makeup. And then when you use
What is going on with you today?
All right, well, when you come in here, usually.
Miss Bam Bam.
Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna leave it there. But when you come in here, usually everything that we had was sealed up in a plastic. So as far as like all these shampoos and conditioners and the vanity kit and all that other stuff, it was completely sealed for, you know, our safety and security. I thought this was sealed too, so I guess we won't be using it, but just right there. Oh, my favorite part right here. The makeup. You see your pimples and your zips and everything else. But that's my favorites. That's my favorites.
What's good, guys? Your boy E Money Boss. We're in Mexico, and we want to show you guys our room. So, as you already showed you guys, you know, heard or man, with GPS most of the time we in here. So yeah, we're gonna start off with the nice queen size bed. Queen. So we got a nice little bed right here, super comfortable. Part of it not being made, we just woke up. Rough night.
Real rough.
Rough night. We got the nice little, I don't know what you call this right here. Like, it's a sitting situation, it's a put your stuff on situation, it's a I don't know situation.
It looked like if you had some friends over, they can sit on. You won't really be posted up like that?
It's good.
You look like it's a fly for a go-go, Amani.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you look like a fly for a go-go. Oh,
All
look
right.
at you!
Alright, they got some storage bins under there too. You know me, I like to, you know, tech it up or whatever. So the TV, I was able to hook up my laptop to the TV, so we can watch what we want from the laptop. You know.
You hear me?
Yeah, we was watching some P-Valley the other day and some music videos and stuff like that.
We gotta watch the princess one too.
The princess one.
The princess.
Abby got another show that she wants to get into. But yeah, if you guys haven't checked out our other video, we were in Jamaica in July, 2 months ago.
Mm-hmm.
So we was in Jamaica. So make sure you guys check out those videos as well too. Got the penthouse tour there and a couple of day vlogs there as well too. So definitely check that out. And if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to the video. What y'all doing?
Exactly. On mothers.
What y'all doing? And then hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell.
Subscribe.
Join the FOV family. You know, we appreciate you guys. We take care of you guys. You know what I mean? We really appreciate everybody for watching. Oh, and by the way, can we get this video to at least 500 subscribers?
You hear me? Subscribe.
Can we get this video to 1,000 subscribers? Come on, let's go. Let's shoot high. Let's get 1,000. Let's get the 1,000. TV, laptop to the TV. Nice videos right here. Check out the Jamaican video. Moving on, we got, this is the ice bucket. We got an ice machine right outside.
Right outside the door.
So we can get ice if we want. 2 glasses. Another little glass over here. We got the coffee right here. As you know, it's still wrapped up because we don't be doing that coffee. We don't be doing it. So yeah, it's still in there. Nice wrapped up coffee mug in there. She got her off and whatever else right here. Surprisingly, there's no bad bug situation out here. So
Nah, that's not right. That's not true.
What you mean?
I got bit twice on my leg. And they some big, huge bites. They're not even regular mosquito bites. They're not no Merlin mosquitoes, that's for sure.
Yeah, Maryland mosquitoes, they pull your socks down and get you.
They always do. They get you how they can get you.
I just realized we got 2 phones. We got 2.
Why do we have 2 phones in the room?
I don't know. Hey, but we got 2 of them. What up, Gates?
Shut
up. Agua, water. Don't forget to tap water.
You missed the important thing about this part of the room. No, the mini fridge.
Wait, you was right. All right, so we got a little mini situation, mini bar, mini fridge. So it's not really that stacked up.
Yeah, because we drank and ate almost everything.
Yeah, so The water's almost gone. So the fridge comes all inclusive with our resort, y'all. So we can drink as much as we want from the mini fridge. They come and restock us every day. So
That's what they said. We gonna see when we check out, but that's what they have said.
Oh no, we're not playing the game.
Yeah,
You
well,
said,
you know.
You said what you said.
Exactly.
This is a nice dad situation. Yeah, I do all my stuff like this.
She showed them the reading life for reading Rainbow.
Reading what?
The reading, you too young to know about reading Rainbow, bro.
Stop.
No, is this sweet? See, that's how I know you don't be reading. You too young.
You
Yeah.
gotta be reading.
The reading life.
Okay.
Or this for jazz, the extra jazzy light, because you can have that on.
So I don't know why I gotta read my book over here.
You don't, it moved. It moved. See,
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
it went that way. See?
It didn't go nowhere.
Yeah, it moved. Bam. All right, y'all.
Okay, so I guess if you want to read a book, you got to do it over here. I'd rather do it on the bed or whatever, but yeah, I guess that's a reading light.
Yeah.
And also, if you guys have been traveling recently due to this, situation out here in 2020, we got our own room service little situation here. You scan menu. You scan your phone, and you'll get the menu on your phone. So for the room service, you can also see what else is going on with the resort, where their restaurants are, and stuff like that. So
just be honest, you really don't know anything about this place, do you? That's okay. I'm here to pretend like I
What the
do.
fuck is that? Oh, the geography guy. Yeah, why he play so much?
All right.
They be listening too hard to us.
Shout out to geography now. This is hilarious. So I guess the Wi-Fi came back on. The Wi-Fi went.
Oh.
And
I thought it was the ghost. Makes sense. That's even better. That's a better explanation.
So it wasn't the chupacabra or the Mexican ghost?
Yeah, now the Wi-Fi definitely makes more sense. The Wi-Fi cut on, everything that needed it cuts back on too.
Thanks for turning the Wi-Fi back on, y'all. All right, so this situation right here, I use this as my little workout area right here. E-Money trying to get fit, E-Fitness was good. So we got a nice couch over here. We got table right here. We got another table over here, 2 chairs, or our drying area.
You show them.
Oh yeah. So this part is lit right here, y'all. Look at this special bottle right here.
Special Corona bottle.
So it's a special bottle. It's got Miss America on the bottle. Like the party that we went to last night was incredible. Like it was amazing. It was the best. It was the best club I've ever been to. Like that was crazy. And so when we went to the little after party situation, got some food, got something to eat, whatever. So Abby just had to go to the bathroom real quick. So while she's going to the bathroom, this person comes up to her like, hey, you want this? She's like, how did she get her whole face on the bottle that fast? Like, he just took random pictures of her.
They was like, oh no, she not about to go use the bathroom and just roll out like
right,
that.
like, so, but this is an amazing picture of hers. So, to the main event, our favorite part of any place that we stay at, the balcony. And our balcony here in Cancun, Mexico, we got a nice outdoor jacuzzi that works. The little bubble situation, you know what I mean? And yeah, we begin to be posted out here, King Pose.
King pose.
King Pose.
King pose. King pose.
Anyway, we got some more sitting situation right here. And then it's the best part. Come on. No more holding back. We got the beach, the ocean, nice little pool situation under us. Yeah.
If you have a room down there, you have a swim out pool. So those people that are down there really can walk out to that pool area.
Well, that is our room tour.
Woo woo.
So we're in Cancun. Make sure you guys check out our other videos as well too, our daily vlogs. The day in Cancun, the day in Tulum. You definitely want to check that out. Gonna be lit. Thank you, baby. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this room tour. You got anything else for this, baby?
No.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you guys. Love you, FOB fans.
Don't forget before you leave, like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes. And hit the notification bell so you know when we drop a video.
Exactly. We ain't got to send it to y'all in text message or nothing. We could just, get it to y'all there.
Yeah. It will really mean a lot to us for our channel. And yeah, that's what we'll do. We're gonna go ahead and get ready, start our day. And yeah, we'll see y'all in the other videos so you can see our day in Mexico.
All right, y'all. Bye.